right up here. This would be a place to retire. Right up
Yeah,
here.
there's like good houses up there.
We could have goats and cows.
They have a lot of cows here. That's why the famous food here is like the one they're eating. Beef soup.
Oh.
It's just cow meat. Beef is like cheap over here because they raise cows.
We have some cute looking cows.
Stuff.